Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful breakfast smoothie. Now, today I'm going to show you how to blend a delicious smoothie that's going to help you to lose 5 pounds in 7 days. Quick, easy. It's going to be full of fiber. It's going to help to push out all of that backed up stuff in your colon, in your intestines, and it's going to help you to lose that weight, flatten that stomach area. Before anything, if you have not subscribed and is not a family member to this channel, what are you waiting for? So hit that subscribe button and turn that bell button on to all, so this way you will not miss any more of these wonderful videos. And for those of you who have not been seeing my videos, all you got to do is unsubscribe and then resubscribe, hit that bell button and set it to all, so this way you know for sure that you will not miss any more of my videos. Okay, so without further ado, you guys, let me show you this delicious breakfast smoothie, because mother is hungry. Okay, let's do this. All right, so for this video you're going to need your personal size blender. So get your blender cup. We're also going to be using some measuring cups, a measuring cup and some measuring spoons. Okay, now the first ingredient we're going to be needing is an apple. Any apple is good. Okay, and what you're going to do is decor it. Okay, and then we're just going to chop it into pieces so it can go into the blades better. And if you have a personal size NutriBullet, make sure you have a large enough cup. I think this is the largest one that they make. It's like 32 ounces. It's about 4 cups, something like that. Oh, I need to have me an apple. Now, if you get the sweet apples, you will not have to use any types of sugar. Our next ingredient is going to be some whole oatmeal, whole oats. And we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of our oats. Okay, the next ingredient is going to be is flax seeds. And we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of flax seeds. The next ingredient we're going to be using is some almonds. Now you're going to soak your almonds. You can actually pour some hot boiling water on it and soak it for, maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour. And you're going to need at least 5 to 7 almonds. So I'm just going to pour the water and all in there. Next ingredient is going to be 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now the next ingredient we're going to be using is some protein powder. Now today I have some vanilla flavored soy protein powder. So that's what I'll be using. And I'm going to be using 1 to 2 scoops of protein. Okay. Matter of fact, I think I'll do 2. Next is plain yogurt. Okay. And we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Make sure you get plain unsweetened yogurt. And lastly, I'm going to be using my Almond Breeze milk unsweetened. Is this unsweetened? Nope, this is original. Okay. And I'm going to be adding in 1/2 cup. Okay. So now what we're going to do is blend this up. Now, if it's too thick, you can add in more milk. That's fine. Now our breakfast smoothie is ready. You can either use this as a breakfast smoothie or as a meal replacement, either for lunch or dinner. So just remember that your other meals should be very healthy meals. And don't forget to add in your metal straw. Full of flavor and full of fiber. If you want to loosen it up, you can add in a little bit more milk. That's up to you. But this is a powerful weight loss smoothie that's going to help you to lose 5 pounds in 7 days. You drink this every day in the morning. You can have it as a breakfast smoothie, and again, replace it as a meal. You can also do this as a meal replacement. But you will definitely show signs of losing that weight, flattening that stomach, boosting that fiber up in your body to help cleanse and flatten that belly. Okay? So you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check down below for links for the NutriBullet blenders, the personal as well as the full-size blenders, and these awesome metal straws that are washable, reusable. And also check down in my eBay store, y'all. I'm telling you, the eBay store is off the hook. I have wonderful items down there for weight loss, for boosting up your body, and also for men and women. I have wonderful honeys, these herbal honeys that will help you in the bedroom, okay? And don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skin care, beauty care, family challenges, and vlogs, okay? As well as fashion hauls. And you guys, don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.